Give this house here a coat of paint inside. It's only about 7 or 8 years old, so it's a really nice home, nice area. The owners, the original colour was this very light white colour. It's got a few things in the carport here. Decided that they would paint it themselves. So I'm going to show you what a home paint job looks like and the damage that these people have done. And they've used sticky tape and they've pulled the paint off. So that's pretty well everywhere. Now, they haven't done too much damage around the skirtings, and they've taped up reasonable around the edges. But you can see there it's bled through the tape. You can see in the corners there. So this is their beautiful feature wall. Now it's quite a large house. So you can see what they've done here. Now it's really not worth losing $100,000 on your property because you want to make it yours. So there was nothing wrong with this house until they decided that they would paint it. So I'm going to go through the rest of the house and give you a bit of a look at it as well. And we'll just show you the damage that they've done basically. So here's a bit of a worry for me, where they've had the sticky tape coming off. It's actually peeled the paint off the ceiling. So I am hoping and praying that when I paint this and I roll these ceilings, that the paint just doesn't come off in sheets. You can see it there. That's sort of what I'm hoping and praying for. If it does, I don't really know what to do, to be honest. It's come off too easy, isn't it? You know, there's still some sticky tape there even. Right there, you can see it. Now they didn't do the gloss work, so that was one good thing. You can see, you know, it's quite thick. I don't even know if I can really sand it back. It's a bit hard to actually show you properly, but I'll just go through the rest of the house. I've only just got here, so you can see the colours like on the wall there, just crazy colours. And that would be okay if they didn't do this grey here. They didn't do inside the cupboard, so that was one benefit. Now this is oil-based enamel, the skirtings and frames. So I put a bit of metho on them and it doesn't budge. So it's actually quite a nice finish. So it's oil-based enamel. So I mean, I could probably go around and brush a coat of oil-based enamel over it, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. As you can see, the finish on the walls there, not so good. So they've got like, I don't know, so this is the entrance. I mean, the quality of the paintwork right at the start was very good. Things to fix. I mean, you can see that finish there is just like broom finish basically. So how we get that back, I am really not sure. But we'll see. It's the same throughout. And all the rooms are the same. I've just picked these horrendous colours to paint these rooms. Now it's all going to go white, the whole house. So even this hallway here it's all this really dark colour. There's still sticky tape up there, as you can see. So they've done the hallway. I think this is a feature, yeah, so this is a dark colour here, and then the lighter grey over there, but just give it a really dingy finish to this hallway. Another colour here, which you can imagine is not real flash. At least they didn't get it all over the aircon, so that's something. So I think my main aim here is to get the ceilings finished, make sure that they don't start peeling off. They've taken a couple of doors off here. Once again, there are some corners that's peeling as well, which is a real major concern for me. The light doesn't work, as you can see there. I don't know, that's a worry. I'm hoping that I can spray the cornice and spray and roll these ceilings. So there's another black wall there. And then we got the main bedroom, same thing. That's from the bed head. Same problem. I'll have to take all these off. And put them, this one go up any further. The walk-in robe, they didn't touch it, so it's actually good. However, the skirtings look yellow. Whether it's a different paint, that is definitely gloss enamel. Looks like the same paint, so maybe it's just because it hasn't had any light in here. So you can see that's the quality of finish before. Why would you wreck the house because of that? I mean, this is nice, this is good. So these are the things that are concerning me. Where the paint is just pulling off or peeled off from the tape that they've used. You can see there's still some tape on there. And that's it, so that's my job for the next couple of weeks. I'll just poke along, do it steady, and not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. Probably an oil-based undercoat spray, and then the gloss enamel in the acrylic probably. I don't want to, but you know, and then finish them off. Spray all the frames, spray the skirtings, do the ceilings, and go from there. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. It's my first video for a long time, and don't know if I'm going to put up any more, but I'll see how I go. Yeah, I've been a bit busy. I'm sort of semi-retired, so I'm only doing work every now and then. I've been traveling, so I don't know. I've got another little YouTube channel that I started up, just PH Travels. If you want to have a look over there and jump on there and support that channel. It's only a little one, it's only got about 70 subscribers or something. I wasn't going to do it as a YouTube channel, but it's I had so many videos when I come back from Southeast Asia. We were traveling around there on motorbikes, and I think I'll probably help somebody who wants to do a similar thing. The yard, it's a beautiful place. Cubby house, pool. I think it's 1.5 acres, something like that, or 2 acres. It goes all the way back over there. So yeah, okay. So I'll catch you down the track. Okay, bye. Thanks for tuning in.